The sending unit is out of this Dodge 12 valve Cummins turbo diesel truck, and this is the fuel level sensor here. Wasn't showing any fuel on the gas tank, so in the gauge inside the truck, I took this apart, ordered one, but it wasn't the right one. It's for a different style. I tried to strap it to it, but it broke. So I put the connectors downwards more, so it's more pressure, and pop this pin out. It'll slide downwards in there. Cleaned everything up and put it back together. Then I put this bracket the opposite way and pried it up a bit so this can move freely and it's not wiggly, because it was a bit wiggly before, and that's what can cause it from losing the connection on this indicator rail here. I'll put it back in and see if it works.